Oh, is your life sucking, relying on eating, relying on fucking? Adopted responsibilities take their toll. Maybe slough some of that pressure off. Let go of your ankles. You don't have to turn your head and cough. You can just do you, and that's how you fucking roll. Creativity will take you past this fucking world that moves so fast. There's no need to spend effort to avoid. Be still, it's not a damn riddle. The wakeful emptiness is in your middle. Be the doer, not the deed. Heavens to Murgatroyd. That doesn't mean don't do action or join a cult or a faction. It means be the doer, not the fucking thing done. Be that which knows both suffering and joy. Experiencing it all, that's the cosmic ploy. Eat it all up, both the pain and the fun. Be a unique expression of the universe. Life is endless expansion, not a curse. Creativity is how you sync up with the source. Face all that bullshit you've feared. Be unhindered. Get fucking weird. Bravery is doing shit when you're scared. You know that, of course. Who gives a shit what people think? Concerns of opinions will take you to the brink. Do you want to live your life suppressed and annoyed? If you can de-link from thinking, observe more than care. Give up wrong or right, what's owed and what's fair. Just exhale a breath of inspiration from the void. A breeze of emptiness through the mind creates currents and eddies in the kind. Ideas get sucked into that whirlpool. Instead of laminating beliefs into our fiction, try subtraction, give up on addition. Creativity is about surrender. It's the journey of the fool. Cast yourself way out of range. Get fucking weird. Get fucking strange. You don't need a workshop. Your mind is infinitely deep. From emptiness, all things become. Don't get stuck on paradigms. Don't be dumb. It's about how much you can give up, not the dumb shit you think you can keep. Inspiration is not mine to give. It's about you deciding to fucking live. Make a mark in this world. It's what you're meant to do. If it's dry, make things wet. If somebody's lacking, help them get. Figure it the fuck out. That's it. You've got this. Toodaloo.